Your free starter collection. Free book 1. Free crystal healing quick start guide. Get started immediately with essential crystal healing basics, simple cleansing techniques, and your first powerful healing layout in just minutes. Free with sign up. Free book 2. Free 7-day crystal energy reset. Transform your energy in just 1 week with this step-by-step crystal cleansing program designed to clear blockages and restore vitality. Free with sign up. The full 12-book bundle. Foundation. Crystal Healing 101, Your Sacred Beginning. Master the fundamentals of crystal healing with this comprehensive introduction covering selection, cleansing, and basic healing techniques for immediate results. $3.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Foundation. Chakra balancing, energy alignment mastery. Advanced techniques for harmonizing your 7 energy centers using specific crystals and proven meditation practices. $7.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Foundation. Crystal love magnet, heart magnetism. Discover the secrets of attracting deep, meaningful relationships using heart-opening crystals and powerful love manifestation techniques. $9.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Foundation. Crystal prosperity, abundance activation. Unlock the flow of wealth and success using abundance crystals, feng shui principles, and proven manifestation methodologies. $9.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Crystal health and wellness, holistic healing. Comprehensive guide to supporting physical and emotional well-being through therapeutic crystal layouts and energy medicine principles. $13.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Mastery. Reiki crystal fusion, amplified healing. Learn to combine universal life force energy with crystalline amplification for exponentially more powerful healing sessions. $13.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Mastery. 30-day manifestation blueprint. Step-by-step daily program combining crystal energy with law of attraction principles for rapid goal achievement and reality creation. $13.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Mastery. Intuitive development, psychic awakening. Develop your natural psychic abilities and strengthen intuition using specific crystals and proven consciousness expansion techniques. $13.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Expert. Sacred geometry and crystal grids. Master advanced crystal grid construction using sacred geometric principles for powerful manifestation and healing work. $19.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Expert. Shamanic crystal practices. Ancient shamanic wisdom merged with modern crystal healing for deep spiritual transformation and soul-level healing. $19.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Expert. Science meets spirit, the research. Explore the scientific foundation of crystal healing, bridging empirical research with metaphysical understanding for complete comprehension. $19.99. Buy now, buy bundle. Expert. Master alchemist, advanced transformation. The pinnacle of crystal mastery featuring advanced alchemical practices and transformation techniques for the serious practitioner. $19.99. Buy now, buy bundle. I've been working with crystals for years, but these guides opened up entirely new dimensions of healing I never knew existed. The Shamanic Practices book alone was worth the entire investment. Michael R., Holistic Practitioner. Money bag. 60-day money-back guarantee. We're so confident in the transformative power of our crystal healing library that we offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply contact us for a full refund, no questions asked.